Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete a Payee on Chase account. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, I have this research generated by Braves AI. If you want to download the browser, I will leave you the link in the description down below. And you can see that the search results are well detailed, and the following the instructions here will allow you to delete Payees on your Chase account. So to delete a Payee on your Chase account, follow these steps. First step is Online Payee List. Go to the Pay Bills tab within the Bill Pay page and locate the Payee you want to delete. After that, delete Payee option. Click or tap the Payee account card, then click or tap the three dots on the Payee account card and select Delete Payee. A confirmation message will appear. Click or tap Delete to confirm the deletion. Alternatively, you can also delete a Payee by Tools and Online Payee List. So select Tools and then select Online Payee List and find the Payee you want to delete and press the Control key while selecting Delete. Now here are some important notes. So first, make sure you don't have any further direct payments or standing orders set up for the Payee you're trying to delete. If you do, you will need to cancel these payments or wait until they've been paid before deleting the Payee. Also, ensure you're using a supported browser and operating system to access your Chase account online. And remember to review your account regularly to ensure accurate and up-to-date information. If you encounter any issues or further questions, you can contact Chase customer support for assistance. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.